morning, everybody. Welcome back again to my Lome vlog. My name is Abby and this is Wakoka. We did explore Kpalime yesterday and it was an adventure. So guys, please go check out that particular vlog. Usually when I visit a new country, I like to do a city tour first, but because of the time frame, we had to do the regional area of Togo first before doing the city tour. So our hotel is just right in the city because I wanted accessibility and I didn't want a situation where we had to be going from one place to the other. So we were right here in the middle of Lome, and the Marche is not far from here, and so is the Cathedral, which my friend attended this morning because she's Catholic, my friend that I'm traveling with. And this vlog is basically just going to be my own opinion about what I think of Togo, what I think of its people, and just, if there are any similarities or none at all, anything that I find strange. Of course, you guys know that I'll be sharing that with you. So stick with me and don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. So see you guys in the rest of the vlog. Bye. Today is a beautiful day with the sun out, and like I said, we're staying in the middle of Togo, and our hotel is Hotel Oceane, right in the center part of Lome. I'm going to leave the name of the hotel, so for anyone that is coming or that wants a place in the city, this is a place to check out. It's a bit pricey though, but the internet works well, the staff are nice, the food is good, and we've enjoyed our stay here so far. I found an EcoBank ATM here in Lome, and I want to see if I can use my Nigerian Visa card to get money out. It says transaction declined, so I cannot use it, I guess. Today is Sunday, and that is why the streets are empty. In the 3 African countries that we've had to travel through, I noticed that we always had to use cash because I can't seem to use my local Nigerian bank card in any of these countries. And if it is not cash, it is usually a trip to the Bureau de Change.
Oh, you're just coming.
Where did you meet him?
Yeah.
Oh, you met him. Okay, you also went to church?
Yeah, he told me he was going to, because I told him I didn't have the money that I'm going to church.
Okay. That one, 60,000. In Sefa or CD?
In Sefa.
In Sefa, okay. Alright. To start our Lome city tour properly, we headed to the Grand Marche, which is around 1 kilometer from our hotel, and it was just an easy stroll to the market. And our first stop in our Lome city tour today is the Sacred Heart Cathedral. This building basically reflects the influence Europe had over Lome, and it is a beautiful Gothic structured church. And actually my friend that I was traveling with came to the church earlier on for Sunday service, and she was raving all about it, and so she literally brought me back to the church. But by the time we got here, it was already locked up because the service was over. But this is a must-do here in Lome city. After our tour of the church, by this time the sun was already at full blast, so we found a kiosk, bought some coconut water, relaxed and rehydrated before proceeding into the market. This is just what Lome Grand Marche looks like. It is just like any, I'm African, so this is not really new for me. On getting further into the market, we came across some Nigerian traders, and they were selling second-hand clothing, so that was really nice to see. I found my brother in the market already. My name is George. He sells clothes. Can I want, oh, that's nice, so.
You can use an area with this.
How much?
It's 1,000.
Ah, it's too much now, it's too much.
This one?
This
one.
And your black beauty showed very nice.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, but it's not my size now. It's too big for me. No, it's too big for me.
You sure?
Super big now. Look at it now.
Entered into the market, got what we needed to get, and we were out of there.
My leg will young when I get home.
How is the market shopping experience?
Beautiful. The people are nice.
Yeah.
Very warm.
So
they're hustlers.
For the rest of our Lome city tour, there were other things, of course, that is worth saying. So by 3 o'clock, Patrick, who was the student we met a day before at Kpalime, came to our hotel. He picked us up and he took us to the monument to independence. So along the way, there were also some interesting historical structures that is also in this vlog. So we can stand here in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at it now. You can see
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
We are approaching the biggest hotel here, or the most expensive hotel here in Lome. It's called Hotel 2nd February.
This is the Minister of Commerce, Industry and Development.
Okay. Okay. And then this statue, uncle? RT. The RT stands for Republic of Togo. Taking a stroll to the monument to independence. Minister of Education. A lot of government ministries here. Area is called the administration town. Okay, so you have a lot of big offices. Are there any embassies around here? Okay. Oh, U.S. Embassy right here. I heard about this Kpalime Congress, but it's a government protected.
Is Minister of Service of Economic and Financial.
Okay, right here. Okay. You're just walking beside the U.S. Embassy right now. How are you?
I'm fine.
Your name is? Oh, comment ça va?
Ça va très bien.
Okay, okay. Nice to meet you. This is the Congress Hall right here. The most significant symbol for the Lome people when they gained their independence. We finally made it to the monument to independence right here. So you can see right at the proclamation of independence of Togo on April 27th, 1960. Those kind of carts are actually popular here for drinks, food, eggs with bread or eggs with baguette, tea or coffee. That's you to go to the beach right now because it's Sunday. After our tour of the monument to independence, Patrick recommended that we go to Marcelo Beach Club, which is one of the happening places here in Lome City for a relaxing evening. This is the French embassy right here. This whole thing, especially the Marcelo Beach Club, wasn't planned at all, so we felt like a heaven sent situation. So we played along. We got a taxi and we drove away from Monument to Independence, and we drove the Boulevard of Lome, which is basically like your entry point into Lome City. And I have to say that this place was really, really beautiful because when we were coming into the country, we came from the other direction. So it was a really bad day or a bad weather day because it was raining. The road was so bad. Of course, we saw the beach to the left-hand side, but because there was no sunshine or anything, we couldn't really appreciate it for what it is supposed to be, a beautiful coastal African country, really. So this is a drive, palm trees out, people are out on the beach. There is music, there is dancing, and it was just a nice, slow, relaxing evening. And as you can see, our mood is super high and we're just having so much fun, really. People on the beach today.
They're very popular kid. Everybody knows somebody.
got 500 Sefa coin. You guys too. Yeah. To enter this place, we have to pay 5,000 each. That's 15,000 Sefa. And it's a beach resort, so we're going to the front right now. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So cute. Have you seen that? Like over there. Look at this madam, she just dancing, oh. Guys, I'm Marcelo Beach and the sunset is freaking beautiful. Guys, as I was just trying to take like a really cool shot, I got drenched heavily. Like, oh my god, my dress is freaking wet.